is my fourth year with Dabu. I think it's going to, in a way, define my own filmography and career. It's been 4 years of mine in this industry, and Dabu's been kind enough to use me all the 4 years. So Dabu's one guy I think the entire industry, all the actors, just love being around.
Today I have debuted on Dabu Ratnani's calendar. How fancy!
He has such an infectious smile. He is so lovable. He's such a positive person. His wife Manisha, now he has another beautiful daughter, Kiara, and of course Myra. Everyone's precious. So it's like coming back home. There's so much of comfort. There's so much of ease with which he gets his shots, and it's always been a pleasure. And this year it was a very relaxed shot. There was not too much of production aspect at all. It was just being lazy. It was being yourself, and that comes easy to me. I'm not very good at photographs, but Dabu kind of, you want to do it for Dabu because Dabu's so passionate about this calendar. So yeah, I hope he got a good shot. I know he's got other great shots, so I'm really looking forward to seeing all of them.
It's the first time I'm shooting for his calendar, and for so many years, even when I wasn't acting, I used to see his calendar in so many people's office, and I used to be like, wow, okay fine, one day I've got to be on this one. So I'm happy that I'm shooting for him today, and he's always lovely to work with, both him and Manisha, because I think they're so warm, and they're so calm, and they're so lovely, and so friendly. Even the first time I shot with him was for a magazine. I remember him being really like, made me feel so comfortable, and I think it's very important to have that kind of rapport with the photographer, because it's a very intimate process taking pictures, I believe. So the comfort level is very important, and I always feel very comfortable shooting with Dabu.
Dabu had this wicked idea of making me wear a ganji. I don't have a big body, so first of all, I told him that straight out. I'm not really physically fit, but since he was insisting, I was like, I don't want to break his heart. So I wore the ganji, and then he had this idea of putting like a 20% off tag. Now I don't know if it was for the ganji or if it was for me, but like I always say, I was born free, but now I'm expensive. But Dabu's kind of cutting my rate by giving 20% off. ठीक है Dabu, देखो next calendar, we shall see.
Every time I've shot with him, he's made me look good. So I think we did a really cool shot today also. We shot 2. I think the second one works better. I think we both agree. It's actually just the way he's lit it. The picture is more about the mood, and there's a lot of character more than anything else. You know, it's not a beauty shot. It's actually quite a opposite of it. It's like a character personality shot, which is really nice, and I think it looks really nice.
All the best, Dabu. I love you, and thank you so much for all the support and this wonderful, world that you keep getting me into. Really privileged and honored to be in your calendar for the 4th year consecutively, and I look forward to seeing it. And I'll see you guys at the opening of Dabu Ratnani's 2012.